This is a Toyota Tacoma. This is a Super 73 S1. And this, oh, this is cool. Yes, my friends, I have something. No, wait, I have something amazingly great. And I'm sitting on it right here. And no, it's not the cement grade Tacoma. And it's not the Super 73 S1. It's right here under my butt. You ready to check this out? Let's go. Good afternoon and welcome. I'm LJ with today's adventure stop here in my driveway. And we're not going to check out the cement grade Tacoma, even though there's a really good video on how to install a Predator tube steps. Check out the link in the description down below. What we're actually going to do is we're also not going to check out this Super 73 S1. We've had quite a few videos on this, but what we're going to check out is this thing that I'm sitting on right here. Probably just about the best accessory you can get for the Super 73 S1, and also you can pair it with a nice cement gray Tacoma or whatever color that you like. So I've been a fan of the Super 73 for about 4 years now, since they've been a Kickstarter back in 2016, and that's when I picked this up about a year ago. But it's hard to find accessories for the Super 73, but mostly it's transporting it. And what we have here is a company called OneUp, and OneUp makes this thing. It's a tow hitch that we attach for the Super 73. One modification that I had to do is I actually had to cut off about 2 inches here, about 2 of those notches, because it was interfering with the rack there, and actually scratched it there a little bit. So a little touch of paint there. So I cut that off. It's made out of aluminum, so it's nice and lightweight. It was easy to cut right through with a brand new blade. And now I'm able to grab more of this tire, because before it was barely just sitting right in there. So I'm definitely at ease knowing that it is able to grab more of the tire there. I was able to definitely grab a little more of this tire here as well. The only thing is I did buy those wheel locks that comes right through, so next I'm gonna have to go ahead and drill a hole probably there, or maybe actually a little lower right there, so that that crossbar here can go right through like that to keep that locked. And that should do it. So again, this is the OneUp bike rack. That's it right there. So if you liked today's video, be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye everyone.